everyone. They've been aiming more for the grass the last couple of days. Maybe I'll take them for a wander further afield. I don't know. I haven't got such good recall on this litter. You know, because there's like not many of them. They kind of come enough that I can get them in and stuff. So I haven't really got a good recall on them like I have other litters. Jazz, any dogs that watch you are going to be really annoyed. Yeah. Play with a quiet toy. Oh, play with a quiet toy. Yes. Yes, that's a good toy. That's a good toy. You big old softy. You big old softy. Yeah. 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 She's such a little cuddle bug. Yeah. Oh, you're a nice mover too, Mr. Cosmo. Mr. Cosmopolitan. Here, Barlow. Hey, bud. I haven't got a nickname for you yet. I probably could find one, but it might contain swear words, so I can't say it. Yeah, I can't think of one. Yeah, because if anything's going down, you're a part of it. Yeah. God, the weather today, right? I hate to be that British person that talks about weather, but it's been all over the place. When I first came out to put that gate across, it was drizzling. It's still windy, but now we got blue skies and sunshine. But if you look there, there's a bit of the grey clouds that we've had. But it kind of looks like I've picked the right time to get the puppies out, which is always handy. Because I think I'm going to go and get them some food in a sec, and they can eat outside, which they quite like to do. So yeah, they had a play date with a couple of kids yesterday, and they loved it. Oh, you just moved out of your stack. They were all cuddling, playing, having fun. When the girls laid down, they were dive bombing them. Harper had hold of one of the girls' hair when she laid down. They just had good fun, puppies and children. Look at her, because she's seen them play with it. What you got, Pickles? What you got? You gonna get in the car? So yesterday I'd had all the puppies in the boot of the car. Didn't go anywhere, just went in the boot, which I think is a good start. That they were familiar with the boot, they were familiar with the smells. Slow introduction to the car. I love seeing her being a puppy. It sounds maybe really silly, but she didn't have the easiest time of it right at the start. So anytime she hits a nice milestone like playing and running around and being silly, I just love it. So yeah, I always recommend when you have a new puppy, go to puppy training classes. You may say or may think, I don't really need to go to them. I know how to train the dogs to sit and do it down and whatever. But that's not all puppy class is about. Puppy class is also about your puppy learning to work and listen to you and focus on you around other dogs, around other distractions. And just because you've managed to train a dog to do some sits and downs and whatever else before doesn't mean that this one will work the same. I've had some puppies that struggle with a down, some that do a down easier than they do a sit. What happened then? What happened? I don't know. I think she stood on something. So yeah, just because you can train sits and downs and whatever else doesn't mean that puppy class won't be of any use to you. And yeah, aim to take the puppy somewhere different, somewhere new each day. Go to schools when it's going home time or when it's arriving time, so they get to see a bunch of children, a bunch of noise, a bunch of traffic, school buses, all the rest of it. You don't need to go near them, they don't need to interact with the children, but just to see what's going on, see a bit of life. Go to the local agricultural show, go to a car boot sale with a dog, go to dog friendly pubs and cafes, and go to dog friendly shops. And it doesn't have to be, you don't have to do 10 shops, dog friendly shops in one day. Do one. And you build everything up into a positive experience. And when they meet other dogs, they do not have to interact with the other dogs. It's actually a far bigger benefit to them to be able to see another dog and not interact with it. So they don't learn that they get to interact with every dog that's around. And then that way, when they see other dogs, they're not going to run over and be rude or disrespectful. Yeah, Apollo, you just did that, and I'm trying to clean it up. See? Magic. Magic. You and blooming Cosmo. Yes. I got it in the bin. That's clever of me. Hey, Ivy. So yeah, if you let them interact with another dog, try and make it on your say-so, not just because that's what the puppy's doing, or that's what the puppy has decided to do. Does that make sense? So I'm going to turn a hose pipe on for them. I'm going to pull it over onto this section of the yard and just see what they make of a hose pipe. As you know, they're plenty used to water. Not only they're used to water, they enjoy playing and messing about with water. But what they sometimes like is over here, the water will flow through the cobbles. Look at Pumpkin, you silly sausage. if you set it right. Whoop. It'll run down through the gaps of the cobbles, and they were quite like following it that way. Get it, Pumps. And they'll watch their mother being silly with it too and think, oh, maybe I need to get in on that. So yeah, as you can see, they really don't mind running through water. Yesterday when it was warmer, they were properly running all the way through that puddle. Even Pickles was. She keeps carrying things off. What are you doing? What are you doing, naughty girl? I love how it's occupied you far better than, or far more than it has your babies. Because that's truly how it's meant to go, isn't it? Woo! Judith, what are you doing? Well, you want guard duty. You need to come and see your grandbabies. You need to give them attention. Yeah, they need a lot of attention, especially that one. Especially that one. Yeah, yeah, he needs lots of attention because he's a little monkey. He's a little monkey. Hey, Pickles. Hey, Pickles. Shall I go and get your lunch? Shall I stop filming you and go and get your lunch? Okay, I will go and do that. So I shall see you all soon. Bye.